Insert guide wire with inserter. Insert microcatheter under sealed valve condition. Push to open valve, insert distal segment. Release to close valve, advance device under valve control. Rotate clockwise to lock guide wire. Guide wire is locked. Rotate anti-clockwise to unlock guide wire. Guide wire is released. Push and rotate clockwise to keep the valve open. Rotate anti-clockwise to enable automatic closure.